Good morning. It is after storming last night, and look, there's all these little flowers from the little frogs bit lily pads. The garden has exploded. We've had a lot of rain, and things have gone crazy. Excuse the mess on the patio. We're still getting lupins, so cutting them off when they are done flowering does work to keep getting more. Over here, we're finally getting calendula, and the sweet potatoes not doing very well. They're starting to get going now, but they're there. This marshmallow took off, and I think that yarrow is going to be okay. The strawberries are done. We got a lot, and the currants have been picked. And over here, the beans will be ready to start picking in a day or two. Look at all of this. See how big they are? Almost ready to pick. I've started getting raspberries here and there. They're so close to being ready, and I'm very excited. The tomatoes and garlic are doing great. I'm still a bit worried how my garlic will do after having leek moth, but we'll have to wait and see. These beans are also flowering, and the Three Sisters bed is doing so good. I'm really excited about it. One of the gourds I planted did not... Oh, it did! There it is. There's the baby gourd. And the second one did sprout, and it's doing really well. It's in here somewhere. I can't even see it. But yeah, these are up to my chest now. The butternut squash are climbing, which is really nice. The grapevine is doing really well. We've got some dill over here. Look, the lavender, so pretty. I'll harvest that today. And then over here, the blueberries are starting to... Oh, look, the tree lily has flower buds. And the blueberries are starting to turn, even though a bird ate most of them. Look. Whee! The gooseberries are doing really well. They're starting to change color in there. And look at all the berries on my elderberry. The little gourd bed is sprouted and taking off. And everything's doing good back here. The peach is a little sad. It doesn't look as healthy as any of the other ones. But fingers crossed. The mulberry's doing really well. And so is the cherry. This is still flowering. And the peach, or the plum, the English plum has got huge new runners. Got little flowers on our hostas. The salads have bolted, and I will deal with them eventually. But like the kale and the carrots, and there's calendula back there, are all doing really well. My indigo has gone crazy. Very pleased with this. And then in this area that wasn't growing anything, I put in more beans. And then there's still some currants on here I left for the birds. And over here we have a bunch of tomatoes that are doing really well. You can kind of... We all have... What's this? And then I need to weed. My jalapenos are doing well. That is a scorpion chili. And that is a mixed bag of I don't knows. And then this, look at the size of the mullein. This is good medicine for your ear infections. And this is good medicine for lung infections. And there's beans in here. And tomatoes. And a volunteer potato from last year. So And another mullein. They look sad right now, but this chamomile has got a whole new flush of flowers. And that's everything. I'm just really impressed with how big everything is and how well it's doing, and I don't have to water yet. So yeah. Okay, take care.